So now this video is to explain about Tomcat installation. Okay, so as usual, let's go to the Google and start download Tomcat. Click on this link, Tomcat add downloads. You can go for any version. You can see in Tomcat 8 or Tomcat 9. You can see the versions here. So it is a very simple installation as usual. And go to the binary distribution. Go to the zip file. Click on the J. This is the link which I have clicked on right now. Okay, now it has downloaded. Open the directory, copy this Tomcat, copy, and go to your C drive and paste it here. So now it's been tested. For Tomcat, we don't need to set up any path variable. It's not mandatory. Of course, we can set Tomcat home directly if we are going to access Tomcat binary through the command line, but it's not mandatory as far as you know. Okay, so just go to the bin directory and now click on startup.sh. Okay, you can see not startup since it is a batch. Since it is Windows, you have to use batch files. Okay, you can see startup.batch file. Okay, you can see this is the Windows batch file, this is the sh file. Okay, if you have installed the same Tomcat zip file in Linux machine or Unix machine, then you have to run this sh script. If it is Windows, just run this batch file. Okay, just double click on that batch file, run. So by default, Tomcat uses 8080 port. Okay, port number 8080. You can see this here. Okay, you can see this here, 8080 port. Now server startup in 2428 milliseconds. Now go to the browser. Just give your URL like http://localhost:8080. If you are able to see the Tomcat home page, that means your Tomcat installation is success. Okay, so that this URL shows like your Tomcat installation is success. Either you can use localhost:8080 or you can use your computer name :8080, or there is an IP address that is always represents your local 127.0.1//:8080. So this also means like 127.0.0.1 represents your localhost always. Okay, so either you can use localhost:8080 or 127.8080 or your host name, your computer name. What is your computer name? How can we know, right? Click on your my computer, properties of your computer. You can see your computer name here, right? So win/. So this is your full computer name. Okay, so go to the browser, http:// your computer name :8080. Sorry, http://:8080. Okay, so this is how also you can launch the Tomcat home page. There are total 3 ways. Okay, localhost:8080 or 127.0.0.1:8080 or hostname :8080. Okay, so once you see this Tomcat home page, that means that you have installed Tomcat successfully. Thank you so much. Keep watching Advith Devops for many more videos in future. Thank you.